So today we have the Stormbox 2 from Tribit. And luckily this is not as bad of a scenario as the Stormbox Mini. The Stormbox Mini was really a speaker, I'm not sure why they released it. It had no app support, it sounded pretty bad. And this one is definitely not perfect, but it is definitely something that fits into Tribit their setup. Because it is a budget speaker, but also it's really a Tribit speaker when we talk about overall way it is built, and it supports the app. And I even today had an update on the speaker, because before the update I wasn't really sure how the audio performance was a bit skeptical yet, but after the update they definitely improved a bit the audio. And yeah, for example with the X-Bass, which is also like what I recommend to use, it is pretty solid audio performance, but you also have custom EQ possibilities where you can improve your audio experience a little bit more. But yeah, this really depends on whoever uses this. So yeah, I know a lot of people are like, why don't you use custom EQs? I do use custom EQs for myself, but not for these videos, because I just like to showcase why these speakers sound, how they sound out of the box. So yeah, let's just go to those audio samples, and I tried to do it in different kind of layouts. And yes, I'm aware my new home has a bit more echo than my old home had. I did try to eliminate a lot of echo. I'm still working on it a little bit, but it's already better than in the beginning. But yeah, let's just go to the speaker, to its audio. Put you in the jersey.